Hey guys, this is Sharp 3.1 Dolby Atmos Soundbar with wireless subwoofer. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar with your mobile phone and laptop using AUX cable. AUX cable is provided. So if you take the AUX cable, hook it up on your phone, take the other end of the cable, go to the back of the soundbar and connect it to this port AUX, and it's in. Use the source to select AUX from the soundbar, showing us BT, ARC, AUX. Now we're going to test the audio using Orbit Sound, then select. There we go. So the volume was low. If you remove the cable, the audio will stop. You put it back, the audio will start. This is moving. Music. Now I'm going to show you how to connect this with AUX cable using your laptop. Connect one end to the headphone section on your laptop. Then it will show you headphones. Then you select OK. Then take the other end of the cable. Go to the back of the soundbar and connect it to AUX. And it's in. Now we're going to test the audio using Orbit Sound, then select the audio. If you remove the cable, the music will be played from the laptop and you can see the sound from the laptop. We're going to put it back Then select OK. You can see the massive difference. If you unplug it from the soundbar, the audio will stop. If you put it back on, the audio will start. So guys, this is how to connect this soundbar with your laptop or your mobile phone using AUX cable. And you can see it's showing us AUX. And from this remote control, you switch the soundbar on and off from this button. This button is Bluetooth, this button is surround, and this button is source. You use these buttons to select AUX, coaxial, HDMI, optical, etc. This button is menu. The plus is for you to increase the volume. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. The center one is pause and play. This is for you to go forward to next track. This button is for you to go backwards to previous track. This button is bars. You select plus to increase the bars to +5. You select minus to decrease the bars to -5. This button is mute. This button is equalizer. You switch equalizer on and off from this button, and once you select equalizer, it goes to off. You select it again, it goes to movie. Select it again, it goes to music, goes to night, game, voice, etc. Music. Then you also have treble. If you select plus, it goes all the way to +5. If you select minus, it goes all the way to -5. This soundbar deserves your attention. You have a lot of connectivity options. Thank you very much indeed.